Hi guys, welcome back to this channel. On today's video, I'm gonna show you how to import custom fonts to CapCut PC. So I actually want to add these fonts I got from thefont.com, and here I already download this autography font. As you guys can see here that I've already downloaded, and what you need to do is first install the fonts into your computer system. So just click on the phone that you already download and then click on install, and now the font will be installing. Okay, I think it's done, and you can just close it, and then after that just find it on your CapCut because it's already in the system. So I think it will be there. So here actually I already add a phone, a text, and also a video, and I want to change the font into the autography font that I downloaded. So here at the text and then font, here just click on the box, font box here, and find the font that you added. So you need to scroll down until you find the system font in your computer. So just scroll. Okay, you need to be patient because sometimes it goes like this, like it's laggy. Okay, so here is the system font you can see, and now I want to find the orthography font. Okay, so just scroll down. Okay, so I'm gonna find the font. Okay, so here it is. So the font will be at the top list of the system font. So you can just click on font, and here it is how you can import the custom font to CapCut PC. And it's actually pretty easy. And if you can't find your font in here, maybe you need to restart the CapCut first. So you need to close it first and then restart the CapCut again. Okay guys, so that's all from me. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please give me a like and smash the subscribe button down there. And also remember to click on thanks, like this video and subscribe. I'll see you all in the next tutorial. Bye.